Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To change the bulbs on your vanity mirrors, let's open it up. Take a flat-bladed screwdriver. There's a little notch right here. It's the same for both sides, also the same on the passenger side. And you just kind of gently pry this up, take the lens off. These bulbs are working, but we're going to show you how to take them out. Take some small needle nose pliers and just gently grab on the bulb and just pull it right out. So it's a mini wedge bulb, a T1.5. And to replace it, you just put it right back in. Usually slides in with a wedge facing vertically. It'll just slide right into place. Put the cover back on, it's got two tabs. And push it right into place. Snap in. And it's the same for this one and the same for the passenger side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.